Hello, Brett Hayes, Vitality Plus Australia. A lot of queries we get. What is the difference between the Crystal Energy and the MegaHydrate, and how should we use them both? The Crystal Energy is the silica, the nanoparticle silica, that hasn't gone through the hydrogen ion generator that the MegaHydrate has. So if you've got a glass of water and you want to alter the water's surface tension, normally, and to make stuff more absorbable, you'd add the Crystal Energy. But if you also want the antioxidant potential, the hydrogen ions, it's the MegaHydrate. So how do we use it? In our drinking water, like when we're in the car, for example, because I don't want the taste of the MegaHydrate, I'll just use the Crystal Energy. But when I go out and working in the garden, or we're about to go for a run or do something energetic, or I'm feeling a little bit flogged, I'll go the MegaHydrate, because the MegaHydrate is the same as the Crystal Energy, but with the hydrogen ions, the antioxidant potential. So you'll still get the change in the dynes, in the water's surface tension with the Crystal Energy and the MegaHydrate. I hope that helps clear it up. Look, if you've got any queries, shoot us an email, let us know, and we'll help you as best we can. Hope you're well.